welcome to another video of Doc Badass. So welcome to another video of
Doc Badass.
Baking soda and vinegar bottle rocket. Hey guys, what's up? It's Doc Badass. Today we're going to be making a rocket out of this bottle, some baking soda, some vinegar, and your hands. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take some vinegar and we're going to fill it almost to the top of it. Like that. Now I have this cup of this and we're going to pour it in and then immediately plug our thumb into the top of it. Now I'm going to take it over here and let go. Hey guys, so that was a great experiment. I'm going to give it a thumbs up, 10 out of 10. It was a little messy though. I had to change afterwards. Anyway, that's about it for this video. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Ring the bell for notifications every time a new video comes up. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.